Mayong gabi sa tanan. This is Lisel's mama from Russia. Good evening, Inday. My sweetest debutant, my daughter Lisel. Happy 18th birthday, anak. I hope everyone is enjoying the simple 18th celebration to my only daughter. I would like to thank you all, the family, friends, and Lisel's classmates for making this evening wonderful and memorable. A special mention to my Mother Earth, Mama Celia. Salamat, Ma. Thank you for your endless love. That 18 years passes quickly indeed. I cannot forget the day nga ako kang gipanganak, Inday. Ang among gipangandoy ni Papa Silso nga anak nga Baji. Nigawas na gyud. I thank God nga gitagaan ko niya og beautiful baby girl in the world. The sweetest baby that brought joy into my life, into our lives. It is wonderful to see how you grown into a beautiful woman today. I wanted to take a moment to let you know that everything you're doing is making me proud, anak. Bisag dili taw magkita kada adlaw, magka-istorya kada adlaw, you always try to listen, ask for my guidance, and strive to change, improve, and obey. Parents may not be perfect, and we make mistakes. It is rewarding to see how you remain strong in life. You remain simple and does not involve the teenage issues. You always try your best and not influenced by the other teens' negative choices. You stand up for yourself, love yourself, and do not allow anyone to make you feel less as a person. Now that you are in the legal age, I hope and pray that you will have a more wisdom and understanding to help you make good choices in life. You and you alone is in control of your emotions and intellect. Now is the time to dig down inside yourself so you can achieve your ultimate goal in life. The possibilities are endless. Always remember, anak, that Mama always here for you and to all your siblings. Your family is forever. Count on me as your best friend, Mother Earth. Happy 18th birthday, anak. I love you.